is the reason why your face is breaking out. Sometimes you wonder how you're taking care of yourself and your face is breaking out. Yeah, my name is Dr. Anobi. I'm the CEO of Village Herbs Clinic, and I wanted to learn the simple thing that is causing this facial breakout. We normally call that just pimples in the face, and the face not looking smart as she or he wants his face to be. Right. This is a combination of these three things. 1, dead cells. 3, oil in the face, and 3, bacteria. These are the 3 major things that are causing all this facial problem. But if you want to bring it down, why don't you use sugar intake? Food that contains oil, you have to cut it down. Right, and make sure don't touch your face too much. Some people like touching their face, touching where the people, when that time the face is porous, so then and frequently you are touching it, you are giving it the edge for it to grow more, but you have to spray. So I'll urge everyone that when you see this, mostly when you walk in the scorchy sun and sweat, after cleaning your face, when you come, just wash your face. You will reduce the tendency of more pimples in your face and reduce oil intake, and make sure you can get better antibiotics to wash your face and other stuff that you understand later. Thank you very much for following Village Herbs Clinic. But if you want a simple remedy which will help you to get a smoother face, one, you need honey. And then get honey, get turmeric. Mix turmeric and honey, use as a facial mask every day, and you understand later. Thank you very much. Bye.